Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss cautions. Attentions regarding gua sha. Despite simplicity, safety, and effectiveness, there are some points of attention for scraping therapy. For instance, it is not suitable for some cases to be dealt with by the scraping therapy, and that some abnormal situations will occur in the course of scraping. The health of the patient should be taken care of both in the course of and after scraping. Only by paying attention to details can the scraping therapy be more effective and safer. Distension and pain in related areas. For some people, there might be swelling and burning sensation in the area scraped. If such symptoms do not disappear within 24 hours, or there is still obvious pain in related areas 1 or 2 days after the scraping, it means that the time of scraping was too long or scraping was too much. These symptoms generally will be eased and disappear very soon if the related area is applied with a hot compress 24 hours after scraping. Dizziness during scraping. It refers to the symptoms that the patient is featured by fatigue and dizziness, pale complexion, vomit, cold sweat, palpitation, and cold limbs. The reason for these symptoms are mostly due to nervousness, too many areas scraped, heavy force of the operator, empty stomach, or excessive fatigue. If there are signs of dizziness in the course of scraping, the scraping therapy should be stopped at once and the patient should lie on his or her back, covered with quilt or clothes, and drink warm or sweet water. For the patient with strong reaction of dizziness, the corner of the scraping plate should be lightly pressed against his or her Renjong or GV26 and that his or her Baihu GV20 and Yongkon Kidney 1 should be scraped by reducing method. If the patient turns better, his or her NAG1 point or pericardium 6 and the Susan Lee point, the stomach 36, should be scraped continuously. The two following points should be paid attention in order to prevent dizziness during the scraping therapy. First, the patient should avoid being on an empty stomach and excessive fatigue while receiving the scraping therapy. The second, the operator should choose a comfortable body position of the patient and apply proper techniques, with a few but better areas to be scraped with an appropriate amount of time. Pay attention to avoid wind and keeping warm when being scraped. In the course of the scraping therapy, the hair pores of the patient are open, a state invulnerable to the direct intrusion of malignant elements when it is windy and cold. This will not only affect the curative effect, but also lead to new illness. With the scraping done, the patient should cover the area scraped before going outdoors. If it is face scrape, the patient is supposed to go outdoors 30 minutes after the scraping is over. So treatment is confined to only one kind of illness each time. The principle of treating only one kind of illness should be strictly followed and that the time for the scraping should not be too long. The operator should not try to bring about SHA in large areas to avoid damaging the vital chi of the patient. When a number of meridians and acupoints need to be scraped, one can choose alternatively 3 to 4 acupoints each time. Do not insist on bringing about SHA. Whether or not there is an appearance of SHA in the course of the scraping, as long as hair pores on the skin are clearly visible, malignant elements can be discharged as a curative effect. SHA is apt to appear in cases with blood stasis, excess syndrome, or heat syndrome, whereas SHA is not apt to appear in cases with deficiency syndrome cold syndrome, or fat people with those who have taken hormone drugs. SHA is also not apt to appear under low room temperature. There will be an curative effect as long as the scraping methods and areas scraped are correct for those illnesses and areas, even though SHA is not apt to appear. Insisting on pursuing the appearance of SHA or excessive scraping will not only exhaust vital qi, but also lead to soft tissue injury. Drink a cup of hot water after scraping. The appearance of SHA and openness of hair pores on the course of scraping will lead to the expulsion of malignant elements while exhausting fluid within the body. Therefore, drinking a cup of hot water after the scraping can supplement water, promote metabolism, and speed up the expulsion of metabolized substances. Take bath 3 hours after scraping. The bath is to be taken with the hair pores closed after the scraping in order to prevent pathogenic wind cold from intruding the body. Generally, the patient is supposed to take a bath 3 hours after scraping. Taboos for the scraping therapy. It is not suitable to receive the scraping therapy in 7 cases as follows. First, weak and thin people whose skin is not elastic anymore. Areas with infectious skin disease, skin ulcer, exudation, and wound and varicose veins of lower limbs. Women in menstruation, the abdomen, waist, and lumbosacral area of the pregnant women. Other parts of their body should also be scraped cautiously or lightly. Next, the eyes, lips, tongue, ear holes, nostrils, nipples, navel, vagina, penis, and anus are prohibited for scraping. Scraping can only be done 3 months after the recovery of such body parts as infected skin areas with ulcers and scars, unknown lumps, malignant tumor, acutely damaged ligaments and tendons, new fractures and scars left over by surgical operation. People suffering from hemorrhagic diseases such as thrombocytopenia, leukemia, and serious anemia or hemophilia. People suffering from heart failure, renal failure, liver cirrhosis, ascites, and serious edema all over the body. Thank you for your attention.